Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, in an amusement park along with entry pass, a visitor gets 2 of 3 available rides, A, B and C. Free on a particular day, 77 opted for ride A, 55 opted for ride B, 50 for C and 25 visitors opted for both AC, 22 for both AB, while no visitor opted for both B and C. 40 visitors did not opt for ride A or B or both. How many visited the entry pass on that day? So, let us draw a Venn diagram first. This B. Since we have 3 rides, let this be A, this be B, this be C. Now, we have been given that 25 visitors opted for both A and C. So this is 25. 22 opted for both A and B. So 22 over here. While no visitor opted for both B and C, so B intersection Z is 0. Now since B intersection C is 0, so A intersection B intersection C also gives us 0. "40 visitors did not opt for ride A or B or both." And we've also been given that 77 opted for ride A. But out of those 77, we have already taken into account these 25 plus 22, that is 47. So here it would be 77 minus 22 minus 25 is equal to 30. So people taking only ride A is 30. And 55 opted for B. So for B, this would be 55 minus 25, that is 33. So only ride B is taken by 33 people. And 50 opted for C. So only 25 people take ride C only. 25 people take ride C only. Therefore, total number of people is equal to 30 plus 23 plus 33 plus 25 plus 25. This comes out to be 135. So the correct option is option D. The next question is, a square piece of paper is folded 3 times along its diagonal to get an isosceles triangle whose equal sides are 10 cm. Then what is the area of the unfolded original piece of paper? Now, let this be the square. And this has been folded 3 times to form this triangle. This point is B, this is A, this is C and this is D. So now it is clear that side CD of square is 2 into AC. So 2 into 10, that is 20 centimeters. So area of squared is equal to 20 squared, that is 400 centimeters squared.